Alright, judge me and call me a hack all you want. Viessmann igniter, screw holes are stripped out. I stuffed some 12 gauge stranded wire in there, and that screw tightened up. This might work until we get the burner plate. Gotta have the hand on the cord ready to go. All right, it's starting. Don't blow up. Please don't blow up. If it lights, it should ramp up. Okay. It's better than 65 or whatever. Oh, she just needed to tell herself to get warmer. So my circulators are running. Let's see what this thing does. See if it blows up in my face. I thought these had a sight glass somewhere. It's not, I know the down blast ones do, or the top burner, whatever. Alright, I want that to come back. Nice. Keep going. I want to see like, I don't know, like 130. Only reason I'm keeping you guys on this is because as it ramps up, it's gonna, create more pressure in here. So if this isn't holding, but it seems to be holding, so I mean, look at that. Just stranded wire. I didn't say it was pretty, but, you gotta do what you gotta do. We're in literally the heart of Boston right now. This apartment went down last night. Emergency call, this went down, so we will be getting the burner faceplate, whatever you want to call it. No. Pretty cool. There's your tech tip for all you little stinky boiler guys out there. Ow!